Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's try this problem right here. This question is asking to find the area between two curves. But first of all, let's draw the graph of this one. First one, we have x, that's going to be a straight line. And since we don't have anything added or subtracted from this one, this is going to go through origin. So this is passing through the origin. And then we have y is equal to x squared. Since that is positive, that's going to be a parabola opening up. So let's draw this parabola. This is going to be opening up. Now we have to know the region that's touching, because that's going to be the limits of integration. First one, we know this is 0, but we have to know this one. To find that one out, what we do is we equate these two equations. So first we have y is equal to x, so x is equal to x squared. If we solve this one, we can find these two of the regions, the touching regions. So here, if you rearrange this one, x squared minus x is equal to 0. And if you take the x common, this is going to be x minus 1 is equal to 0. From this one, we know that x is going to be 0 and x is going to be 1, right? So 0 we already know. So this one is going to be 1. Now we have to try find the area bounded by these two curves. So this is the area we are trying to find. To find this one, what we do is we use this equation, that is a is equal to integral a to b f of x minus g of x dx. F of x is top function, so whatever the graph you are having on top, that's going to be the f of x. G of x is the bottom graph. Now in this one, the top graph is this straight line, right? So x is going to be the top function. Now if you plug this one in this equation, limits of integration is going to be 0 to 1, and f of x is going to be this one, x, that's a straight line, minus g of x is going to be the bottom function, that is this parabola opening up. So this is going to be x squared. Now let's do the integration. If we integrate this one, this is going to be x squared divided by 2 minus x cubed divided by 3, going from 0 to 1. If you plug 1 for this one, this is going to give you 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. And if you plug 0, that's going to give you 0, because 0 squared divided by 2, that's going to be 0. 0 cubed divided by 3, that's going to be 0. So we just subtract 0. It's not going to change anything. And if you want to solve this, we have to take the common denominator. 2 times 3 is 6, so 6 is going to be the common denominator. If we take 6 common denominator, in this one we are going to have 3. And here we are going to have 2, 3 minus 2, and that's going to give us 1 over 6. And that's going to be the area of this shaded region. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope this helps. See you next time.